Namaste everyone, welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev and today I would like to share a yoga with you that I practice when I feel dull or negative energy and how I can get quickly out of it. So let's practice together. If you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe and click on this bell icon and stay tuned. If you have two blocks like this, it would be brilliant. If you do not have, no problem. You can use a pillow or two pillows that you should be putting like this. So one of it going to be under your shoulder and one is going to be under your back. Okay, so let's try. Adjust. That's good. So now, as you can see, a little bit more. Okay, so that's good. Now what's gonna happen is my neck nicely going to be gently touching the ground, and after that bend your knees, lift your hips up and press them down. Okay, now keep your head down here, close your eyes and let it go. By doing so, all the chakras that are situated in our spine